Scarlett, what's in your room?
Balloons.
What are they for?
My birthday balloons.
Your birthday balloons?
See that? That's coming to my head.
Whoa!
Sorry.
Can you run through them?
I can't.
Oh, you can't?
I want to pull them. I want to pull them.
Scarlett, how old are you today? Let me see.
I'm ready.
Can you tell me?
I'm ready.
How old?
I'm busy.
You're busy?
See that coming the world? See that?
Scarlett, how old are you? Do you remember?
I'm busy.
Are you 2 years old?
No, I'm busy.
Oh, you're busy. Okay, I'll let you stay busy. I love you. Silly girl.
We don't. He has ever.